How's it going? It's definitely been a minute since I made a video, and I might get back into it. Thinking about getting back into it. So I'm gonna do a quick analysis right now on the current state of the market. So we have some bullish relief that's been happening these past few weeks. Let me try to unclutter the chart here. And it doesn't seem like it's going to be very long-lived. We do have increasing bullish DVSI, but still got everything is still negative. Sure, we got a lot of things starting to point upwards. The RSI, the money flow, the momentum is starting to point upwards on the weekly, and DBSI as well, but that is not a definitive indication that we're going up. So I'm going to jump down here to the daily. So we have had price come up quite a bit from actually the exact bottom. It's come up a good almost 40% on Bitcoin and definitely more than that on Ethereum. And this is indicative because the money flow has been increasing, the momentum has been increasing. We had these bullish divergences here. But currently I'm in a short. I've been short since pretty much the top. And that is because of, mostly because of the RSI. We see that the RSI, if you watch previous videos, you know that when the RSI becomes gapped, that it is most likely a weak move, right? Even look here, when the price came up and the RSI was even just a little bit gapped, we had another move back down. So after this large rally we just had, we got a large gap in the RSI. So even with the money flow momentum looking up, it seems like the zero line is kind of acting as resistance here. And maybe we will eventually break into the green and see a larger rally, but for right now, we're looking at more downside potential. I'm going to zoom in again at the 12-hour. So again, super gapped RSIs. Yeah, it did come up. It was pretty bullish, but now it's overbought and curving downwards very sharply with the money flow finally crossing into the red last night. That was where I definitely doubled down on my shorts around this wick back up. I saw that on the 1 hour, right? I was waiting for it right here. How at the time the price came up here, and then I saw this VWAP curving down, and it was super indicative on the 30-minute where there was a nice little trigger wave right there, right where we wanted it. And if I zoom back to the hourly, you'll see there it is. And we just dumped right through. And I think that was a 5 or 6% move from the top. Yeah, just about 6%. And we're definitely at 6% now, 8% now, wow. So I didn't get the top of this wick. I got, my shorts are up here, and my average is a little bit lower now. So we're in a current downtrend, and I'm expecting for this crossover, I don't expect it to be another massive one like these waves were, but I do think holding it for another at least week is probably going to turn out good, at least until this fib, if not a double test of this fib down here, maybe a double bottom type pattern. We'll see. We still got some time before that happens. So the 4-hour just crossed into the red. We do have a BitBoy green dot, but that's not really indicative of much, especially with this money flow, momentum, and RSI coming down. But there is a gapped RSI for the bears right now on here, so we might have a little move back up kind of like this to where it becomes overbought, oversold. We'll see. I'm in my shorts right now, still holding it. I think we're going to see another week or two of more bearish action as of this video. So see y'all in the next